Okay, test. No electricity, you think so? Okay.
It is right, only 12 volt.
This and this is 24 volt. This is 12 volt. This is 24 volt. But no, touch two hands. No feeling?
Yeah.
Okay, you can touch. Oh, your body resistance is very good. But when I touch, I got feel. I got feel something. You think so? No electricity?
Oh, yeah.
No feeling?
24 volt.
Can you touch yourself? Touch. No feeling?
I feel the electricity.
You feel something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because of low resistance, I cannot touch. I feel something. Here you see. Huh?
Oh,
The voltage was only 24 volt. That's when I touch, I got something. Because my body resistance is very low. Sometimes I touch the handle of the door, I got shocked. So it depends on your body resistance. Here. Yeah, here. Even 24 volt, you can see the spark. This is low voltage, but this is high voltage. Right? Now you touch. Okay, here you touch. Oh, very good. Okay, you touch here. Oh, don't do it, right?
It's gonna be like 196 is still fine.
oh no, I felt it. If I touch
I think-
the tips, I don't feel anything. But if I
Yeah.
touch the like,
I think around about 100 volt is dangerous. 100 volt. So this is 220 volt, very big, right? So this is a transformer. You should use next time, not today, right? But you should know this is step down transformer. High voltage to low voltage, right? And every electronics device. This is called oscillator. This is function generator. This is EE2606 circuit board. You can use every electronic device inside. We connect to the mains line, right? Inside it, you use electricity, AC or DC. These inside should be DC. DC, but here is AC. But inside is DC. So that there is one unit. It is called DC power supply unit. So you have to set up DC power supply unit at home. It is your project. AC change to small. This is big AC, big full wave, and small wave by using transformer. And then go to your device, change to DC voltage. This is called DC power supply. I will show you next time, not today. Right? Okay, today is just basic experiment. But you should keep it in your mind. You have to set up DC power supply and you can use at home. This is your project, right? Okay. So now we use electricity 220 volt, but the RMS is dP to B. The RMS is dP to B divided by 2 root 2. Okay. Today experiment 1 and 2, but we don't do experiment 1. Experiment 1 is just introduction, how to use oscilloscope. I think you have any little bit a bit experience about oscilloscope function generator, I think as physics too, maybe. But today experiment is we start experiment 2. Right? Experiment 2. What is experiment 2? I'll show you.
หนึ่งไม่ต้องทำสองเพราะหนึ่งก็คือ info yes
Here, resistor, this resistor, you know, here, okay, 10 kilo ohm, not 10 kilo ohm resistor.
okay
Okay. Switch on. This is function generator, right? This is oscilloscope. Oscilloscope has two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. You can use AC and DC. Here you see V. It is AC. When we push here, capital V. It is DC. Right? Voltage. You see here, this is DC. Now, Input is AC. We use input is AC. Output is DC. Now for this experiment, input is AC, input side. Now this side is,
This is for output.
and this is channel 2 is for output. Now channel 1 is input. Input is AC. Right? Input is AC. AC voltage. Output is DC voltage. And then here, set ground here, ground line. Now set ground. You see the ground? Ground. You can move the ground. So, 2 ground at the middle. 2 ground at the middle. Right? And then this is cursor is here. You push like this. Here, upper cursor. And push here. Move down, this is lower cursor. Right? And here. Oscilloscope connect to function generator. This is function generator. This is function generator ground. And oscilloscope ground. And then function generator light. Oscilloscope channel 1 input, not channel 1. Channel 1 input here. Now we use this frequency. Frequency set 1K range. This is 1K range. You can change the frequency to get 1.00. It is 1 kilohertz. Push 1K and 1 kilohertz, right? This is frequency range. This is amplitude range. Okay. Here, connect to here and move the ground. This is ground. Move the ground. Means push this switch. Push the ground. And here you can make and then change time speed, a little bit time speed like this. So your frequency is
This
oh,
one is
1K is here, 1K is here. Sorry, not 1 mega, right? Oh, 1K here. Yeah. You see, 1K. 1 point. Okay, 1K. 1K. 1 kilohertz, right? You can check the kilohertz by here. Push here. And then from this peak to another peak. Read it. How much is this? 1.0 kilohertz. Yeah, right? Okay. This is 1 kilohertz. And 10 volt. We want to get 10 volt peak to peak. So this is the one division of 2 volt. So 10 volt. Then you're going to move here, right? Okay. Yeah. Not very little. To get 10, to get 10 you can check here. To get 10 here, you can increase voltage. Up. And then you can move, you can adjust, adjust left hand, right hand, adjust it. Yes, this is input voltage. 10 volt. Everybody, if you want to see, you can take photo. Now when you do it yourself, you can check with your photo. Right? This is input voltage. 10 volt peak to peak. Right? Right? This is positive, Y strip is negative. Okay, put here. Put on the second board, red board. Into this. Touch to the ground, careful. Touch to the floor. And resistor 10K. You can check resistor by multimeter here. Push multimeter. This is kilo ohm, okay? How many K? Check it. You give me 10K, right?
Yes.
Sure? Do you know the color code? Color code? 10K is brown, black, what? You can check by this easy.
กำลังสองกำลังสาม
Oh, sorry. Yeah. You should just This connector go to here, voltage O here, right? Now be careful now when you measure the O. 0.9 is not 10K, this is 1K. Right? I tell you,
Okay, we have to change it.
10K, yeah?
Press the other.
Yeah, this is maximum is 20, right? So this is 1K. Oh, you know the color code, right? What is the color? 10K is brown.
Should be brown. Is it red? That's right.
Yes, this is 1K, right? Yes, brown like orange. Yes, this is 9.9 is 10K, okay. Before you take it, check the color code better. Here, okay, now.
Here, let me think.
Now negative here, right? Okay, here.
Yes, yes.
Now positive, now negative, right? And here, no need multimeter. Now function generator is 10 volt already, right? So connect to function generator, positive, here. Positive to, now positive. Negative to resistor. Yeah, this is the first. Right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Positive is here, positive is red. Yes. Okay, this is figure 1A. Check input. Input is ground. Where is the ground? You can put the ground right here. And then channel 1. Channel 1 is AC, right? Okay, check here. Right? Then go P to C. And output. Output is channel 2, DC, not DC here. DC. Output is across resistor. Across the resistor. And then move wrong line. What do you see?
Across the resistor, not the resistor.
Yeah, across the resistor. No, across the resistor, I mean here, right?
Right.
No, across the resistor here. Resistor. Now negative, right? And then use the same scale for the pen. Yeah, this is calculating second. But output is a little bit less than input. Why? You know. How many volt this is? You can check here.
Less than 10.
Less than 5. Less than 5. This is half, right? Less than 5. How much? 4.5. Why is drop? Not 5. It should be 5, right? Not exactly 5.
Resistor?
Because of drop voltage. Diode voltage drop. So at that time you will get. Take photo. This is input. This is input and output. This is output. When you draw the graph, you can draw only output. But now you can see input and output. It is figure 1A. Not figure 1A. I showed this figure 1A already. Your output is like this. Right? Figure 1A. Output is like this. But you have to show how many volts.
When we change the output,
This output only, right?
channel.
Okay? Yes, and here I can show the period. Period is like this. From here to here. How many? Frequency 1 kilohertz. This is period. Frequency is 1 by delta T, right? So you have to draw that like this. It is figure 1A. After that, I will show figure 1C. Figure 1C. You finished already? Okay. Fine. Okay, I'll take off now. Take off here. Because here, I change the position, diode and resistor position like this. Now diode. Here is resistor, right? Resistor. Be careful, connect, connect here, resistor and diode connect. It's vertically connected. Okay?
ค่ะเดี๋ยวกัน
Right? Vertically connected, right? Parallel. This is parallel. This one. Here, input. The same input. Don't change input. Okay. Function generator ground. Oscilloscope ground. Be careful. Channel 2. This is channel 1. Look at channel 1. Same, right? Channel 1 not change. Channel 2 to diode. Yes, what you see. Only this one is. This is ground line. You can see the voltage. Only. This is diode voltage. How much it is? You can see this is output for channel. This one. Output for this one. Sorry, not this one. Sorry. This one, right? Okay. So how about this voltage? Yeah, check this voltage. It is diode voltage. It is diode voltage. This is figure 1C. So you, after you finish 1A, go to 1C. Now don't go to 1B, right? Go to 1C. You can choose, right? Right? And I will show 1D, 1B. 1B, I will show you. How about the 1B? 1B has DC power supply. It's a little bit confused. So DC power supply, you have to use like this here. For 1B. Now 1B, diode is here. Diode is here. Resistor is here. But resistor here. Resistor to the ground. Resistor to the ground. Ground line is this horizontal line. Ground line. Go to ground line. And here, switch on DC power supply. And then measure DC power supply by multimeter. By multimeter voltage here, right? DC power supply here is 15 volt.
Why can't we change it here?
Don't do it. This is better. Because it is, you have to change and it's make confused. So DC voltage better. Check DC voltage here. Here plus 15 volt. And then this is ground. Check DC voltage here. Check DC voltage. Here. You can check DC voltage. How many volt now? 9, okay. Here. You have to decrease to get 2 volt. Decrease slowly. This is DC voltage plus 15 to here. Plus 15, we can change 0 to 15. Yeah. 2 volt to get 2.0. So sensitive. About 2 volt is okay. Okay, about 2 volt. This is 2 volt. So this DC power supply here. Now DC power supply positive is now here. And then function generator positive. Connect DC power supply positive to DC power supply positive to where? Function generator positive. Function generator positive is here. Right? Function generator positive. Okay?
Ground to the system.
Yeah, here. DC power supply. Ground to where? No.
Also DC.
Yeah, DC power supply ground is go to diode. Diode positive, right? Be careful. Yeah. Minus means ground, right? DC power supply positive function generator. This is ground. Ground to where? DC power supply ground to diode positive. diode positive.
So is that how it should be? Plus minus. This is a 2-volt DC power generator.
Yeah, 2 volt here, 2 volt here, right?
Plus minus here.
Yes, here is
So
diode positive.
it goes to plus and minus of the DC generator.
Minus is here, ground. Minus is ground. Minus means ground, right? Plus minus here, minus to
Yeah.
diode to here, and function generator ground. Yes, diode positive. And a function generator ground to
Function generator ground.
resistor.
No, sorry. Diode ground to resistor.
Diode negative to resistor already. Function generator ground to resistor here.
It's fine.
Okay, this 1B is a little bit confused. Now be careful. He told me that where is DC power supply? Ground. Ground is negative. This is DC power supply positive, right? Okay, check output. Check input and output. Input is the same. Input is the same. Input is where? Function generator. Input is function generator here, right? Yeah, function generator. Input is. And then ground, go to ground. Output, you can check output here. Yeah. Yeah, it is because of you put 2 volt, negative 2 volt like this. Voltage drop here. This is output. So what is your voltage? This is 2 point something, right? Yeah. It is 1B. Everybody be careful now. 1B is little bit hard because you put DC power supply. And 1D. Okay, you take 1B. Huh? This is 1B output, input to, yes. Output 1B, if you want to see input and output, like this. 1B, input and output like this. Okay. And 1D, I will show you. This is 1D already, right? 1D, more voltage like this, right? 1D. 1D is 1D is not here. We take diode and resistor here, right? Resistor here, diode here. But this diode go to where? Here? Yes. So this time function generator goes to resistor. But function generator ground don't go there. Here DC power supply goes to diode negative, right? Diode negative here. This diode negative, DC power supply positive. Okay? And diode negative. And then here is function generator, right? Ground to DC power supply ground where? Here, right? So DC power supply ground to function generator ground outside. No need to connect here. Yeah, this is very end. Here, right? This one. Don't connect to circuit. This is outside. Right? At that time. Okay. This is ground. Yes. Input. Yes. Input is the same, not change. Check the output here. Output is across diode, right? Across diode. What do you see? It's 2 point something. This time 2 point something. Yes. This output is 2 point something, right? 2 point something. So I think I will show 1BA, 1B, 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D. I think we should try now. After that, I will call you again, right? And then I will give you about 1 hour. No, 1 hour.
Okay.